A Fort Wayne City policy change is making employees get written permission to record a conversation with another employee. As News Channel 15's Alyssa Ivinson explains, that policy technically goes against state law.
Well, Indiana is a one-party consent state, meaning someone can record a conversation without the other person knowing. But starting May 1st, a policy change means Fort Wayne employees can't do that.
Now you're in an employment situation.
A change in policy and procedures for Fort Wayne City employees says an employee will immediately be fired for, quote, unauthorized recording of conversations with or between city employees without their full knowledge and written consent. Attorney Mark Giaquinta says while state law allows people to record conversations they have with other people without permission, an employer can make its own rules.
The point is that I'm paying you. You're here. I'm compensating you, therefore I get to set the rules. If you don't abide by my rule, nobody can charge you with a crime, but I can claim you are insubordinate and discharge you.
The city said in a statement that it has been studying this topic for more than a year and, quote, as technology changes, it's imperative for organizations to adapt and make the necessary policy enhancements to protect employees. Now, if an employee wants to record a disciplinary hearing, for example, he or she would have to have written permission.
I don't think there should be a problem with recording a disciplinary hearing, because if you're confident in what you're saying, what difference does it make if I write it down or record it? I do understand an employer not wanting employees surreptitiously recording each other. I think it could sow the seeds of distrust among the employees.
You may remember last month News Channel 15 did a story about Parks Department employees saying they were unfairly questioned about going to City Council to complain about new policies. We aired an employee recording of a meeting with managers. Today, the city said this policy change is not in response to that story. So what about if an employee records a conversation with another employee while they aren't on the clock? Giaquinta says he thinks the city would have a hard time defending enforcement of a work policy that didn't take place during the workday. Live in the newsroom, Alyssa Ivinson, News Channel 15.